You'll know it's time to replace your garage door when wear, frequent malfunctions, or poor performance persist, even after maintenance or garage door repair. Visible damage like large dents, cracks, or warped panels, especially from weather or impact, can weaken the door beyond repair. Florida's humidity often leads to rust and corrosion on metal parts, affecting performance and longevity. If your door makes loud noises, shakes, or breaks down often, replacing it may be safer and more reliable than constant repairs. Older garage doors lack insulation, increasing cooling costs and making them less energy efficient during Florida's hot summers. Missing modern safety features like auto reverse or lacking smart tech reduces convenience and increases risk. A sagging or uneven door with failing tracks and springs may signal structural issues that can't be fixed long-term. When repairs cost more than a new installation, or if your door impacts curb appeal, a full replacement is the smarter choice.